Buying USDT with Visa card is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can buy USDT with Visa card. So the process is very simple. You just have to go to any of the crypto platform and buy USDT right there. So currently, as you guys can see, I'm on Google now. Here I'm just going to search for Binance and I'll go to this website which should say Binance. Now in the Binance.com, you will see a homepage something like that. You just have to create a quick account. After creating the account, you'll see something like that. Now here you just have to click on this deposit and then you have to click on buy crypto. Now, after clicking on that, here you can enter the amount of USDT you want to buy. Suppose you want to buy USDT, so I'm just going to select USDT right here. And suppose I want to buy USDT worth of $100. So here I will be able to get 95 USDT with the $100. So just have to do that. And then you have to click on verify and buy. Why is it saying verify and buy? Just because our account is not verified. In order to verify it, you just have to click on that. They will want you to enter your identity ID card scan. And there you go. Once your Binance account is all set up and verified, you will easily be able to buy it right here. So that's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.